What's up, guys? We're back at it again in the R3XZilla. I'm here at my frequent stop at the gas station filling up some gas, but we're doing something great today. We're getting some major suspension work done. So I've had this car for a while now and I haven't upgraded the brakes. So right now they're riding on stock rusty ass brakes, so I'm getting them changed. I got a set found online, had a steal price. I couldn't let it go because it's a big brake kit and they do go for close to like five grand and stuff, but I got it for a killer price, so I could not decline that offer. So I'm heading there now, and I found a guy that does like mechanic work in his like backyard, and he is pretty legit. I've heard from others because he actually works on like building motors and stuff, and he has like a 2JZ. And then the guy that recommended me to him, I was at like a Cars and Coffee, and he was like, you know what, you should really go there because he does an awesome job. So we're gonna head there now. Hopefully, looking forward to getting these installed very soon and see how they ride out. But how about you? So before I got interrupted, I had to pay the guy. I'm looking really forward to getting this big brake kit installed. I got a set of calipers and the whole nine. And I like going fast in this car, and sometimes when you gotta stop because people be brake checking you and stuff, and with weak ass brakes, that's not a good thing, especially driving over here in Jersey and stuff. So definitely looking forward to this suspension upgrade.
Take a good look at these calipers. Matter of fact, don't even look at them because they're rusty and old as hell. But these are going out and they're coming in with the new. Coming in hot, man, I'm telling you. I'm looking forward to this upgrade for a few years. I finally found a set that I can put on these bad boys, and it will definitely make the look of the wheels come out a lot more, because those calipers were not doing it. Anybody that would look at these, I would tell them, hey man, don't stare at it too long because it's gonna it looks bad behind the wheels. So I'm definitely gonna compliment the set of brake set that I have with these wheels. Definitely looking forward to it. First suspension work in years, guys. So look at that. Sheesh! Work is getting done. Got the front done. Now we got the back left. But found this nice service shop right here. My boy recommended to come to him. Does a solid job. Definitely going to be coming to them for my other car as well. But look at this, man. This looks so good. Beautiful. I actually don't mind the green. They actually look like yellowish in the camera, but they're actually like super highlight green. Long term, probably paint that like blue or something, light blue, to match the air freshener look, because those are the exact wheels I have, and it has blue calipers. And I think blue accent will look really nice on it, but for now, it shall suffice. Oh man, it's gonna feel so good to stop right away when I wanted to stop. I'll be going fast, and those shot ass brakes I had, it would take so much power for them to slow down or to come to a complete stop. But this will give me a lot more confidence and braking power. So definitely looking forward to it. All right, so a little shop update. I just went up the block to grab something to drink because it's like scorching hot out here.
Disculpa, ¿escuchaste lo que eso?
Amigo, sorry, no hablo español.
No, yo hablo inglés. ¿Quieres hablar?
So I got here, went up the block, but what happened was that this guy is not starting to feel well. Like in the middle of swapping out my rear brakes, he's like, "Oh, I gotta go at the corner," and he like pukes. But before he even started, he was like, "I'm not really feeling well. I ate something last night, and it's not sitting well on me." So I didn't pay too much mind because he was fine. But now, like, he was not feeling well at all. So he went upstairs for another like 20 minutes. I told him to take, pop some like antibiotics or something, so he starts to like, because I don't want to be here and have my car, I gotta like take my car here and I have to like Uber it home or to my sister's place or something. That's just gonna be a recipe for disaster. So before he went upstairs, I told him like, "Yo, you good, right?" Because he was like, yeah, I'm fine, you'll get out of here. So that's my major concern. But honestly, this guy he does a solid job, man. And I was just worried for him and his well-being that, he finishes up in a timely manner and I have my car back. Plus, like that he's healthy, because that's more important than anything. But at the same time, having my car back is very important as well. So he came back downstairs and he said like, "I feel a lot better." So I guess he just needs to flush it out of the system. But yeah, I'm still waiting for my car, and he's doing the brakes, the back brakes now, because there's a brake dust shield that doesn't come off like the way the front ones do. So he has to cut them off, and that requires a little extra labor. And coincidentally, he started to do the back, and that's when he started to feel worse too, because it takes a lot of labor, time, and effort. But hopefully I get my car back soon. I can't wait to drive it. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm having the brake fluid flush, new set of front calipers, back calipers, pads, rotors, and brake lines, and Motul brake fluid. So I am psyched. I cannot wait to, go hard on these things. This is the old rotor, and these are the crusty ass calipers. I'm just gonna leave it here. I think it's like considered trash to me. You could probably sand them and repaint them, but I'm not spending so much effort on something that I did not like at all. And I don't even know how much I would get out of this. I would probably get lucky if I got like $100 for a set of 4. But these rotors are no bueno. They are crusty and they've been through a lot of seasons. And personally, I do not like them at all because they squeak so badly. I mean, when they were on for, I would say, a good 6 to 8 months, nasty ass squeak. Always coming from the back. Always coming from the back. But look, they've been used. I was breaking hard with these. Yep. There you go. Front and back put on. Brake lines on. Looking good. Can't wait to see them with the wheels. It's gonna be a nice contrast. For sure. Man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. They look so good. They're like massive. You gotta love a good, huge caliper. Complementing with them wide 255s, 4018. Talking business now. Man. Braided line. I'm about to flush it with some new fluid, Motul fluid, in this tote. And we'll be ready to rock and roll. Hot ass weather, but this cloud is blocking the sun, so it's just perfect right now. But yeah, this guy has been sweating bullets, and it's not easy. It's definitely not easy working in this hot ass weather.
Alright guys, we back. I didn't get a chance to record that day because it was just a long day. I was super tired. I came back and I just crashed, and then my car actually has been being used by my family and stuff because we're like one car down at the moment. But yeah, so I got these installed. They look fantastic, and I thought that was actually a curb rash, but actually it's just brake dust. Check out the fitment, yo. Look at that. I did not need any spacers. It came off of a 17 STI and it was direct bolt on. I mean, I had adapters in the back for it, but I didn't even need that as well. So it was like a complete clear install without any trouble. The rotors are in good shape as well. So are the pads. Maybe down the line I'll probably replace the pads, but all rotors seem to be like, you know, not rusty and no cracks or any like wear. So came out really nice. And luckily my stock wheels, I took them along with me, and they actually fit my car without any spacers too, because technically I was told I would at least need 5mm spacers, but I put them on the front and they fit perfectly, spun the wheel, and there was no you know, stops, and it actually fits like perfect. I wanted to get spacers, but regardless, for my stock wheels, because they're just like so sunk in. But you know what, I think I'll stick with this, at least for the summer wheels. I think they're completely fine here. But check it out, yo. Check it out. I am psyched. They stop so well. It's like as soon as you press the brakes, they just like grip on. So those are 6 in the front, these are 4 in the back. There is some dust shield, and I did get a wash that day, but you know, it started to rain that night, so that's my luck. Whenever you whenever you wash something, I always feel like it rains like immediately the next day. But look at that. I got like so much clearance. I have at least like a couple of inches clearance on that. But yeah, the fitment is amazing. Honestly, I haven't even drove this car like after that. Like I said, it's just being used, been tossed around, and people in my family are using it at the moment. I actually miss driving it. I actually took it for a drive today, just to kind of get the feel of it, because honestly I didn't experience it as much after installing it. But check it out. Got an event coming up this weekend, so I definitely have to get this washed and detailed just in time for the event, because I wanted to have these installed before that. I don't want no rusty ass calipers behind these spicy shiny wheels when they get washed. But tell me what y'all think. I want to hear from y'all. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. You already know, R3XZilla in the cut. I'm at home chilling on a beautiful day. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.